Want to clear out your arteries? Here's a practical meal. Hey, welcome back. Today we're talking about a powerful practical meal that can help clear out your arteries and improve heart health. The food you eat plays a huge role in preventing plaque buildup and improving blood flow. In fact, certain foods can even help reverse damage caused by unhealthy eating habits. So let's dive into the details of this meal and why it's so good for your arteries. The importance of artery health. Your arteries are responsible for carrying oxygen-rich blood from your heart to the rest of your body. Over time, poor diet and lifestyle choices can lead to plaque buildup in the arteries, which narrows the arteries and restricts blood flow. This condition, known as atherosclerosis, can increase your risk of heart attacks, strokes, and other cardiovascular diseases. Now, you might be wondering, how can food help clear out this plaque and keep my arteries healthy? Well, certain foods contain nutrients that actively support arterial health by reducing inflammation, improving blood flow, and helping to prevent plaque buildup. Let's break down the foods in this meal and understand how each one contributes to artery health. Spinach and kale, the foundation of the meal. The base of this artery-clearing meal is spinach and kale, two of the most nutrient-dense leafy greens you can find. Why are these so good for your arteries? High in antioxidants. Spinach and kale are loaded with antioxidants like vitamin C, beta-carotene, and flavonoids. These antioxidants help reduce oxidative stress in your body, which is a major contributor to inflammation and plaque buildup in the arteries. Rich in fiber. Both spinach and kale are rich in dietary fiber, which helps lower cholesterol levels and prevent plaque buildup. Fiber also helps keep your digestive system running smoothly, supporting overall health. Rich in potassium and magnesium. These minerals are essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure, which is crucial for reducing the strain on your arteries. Potassium helps relax your blood vessels, and magnesium supports proper blood flow. By starting with a spinach and kale base, you're setting up your meal to support optimal arterial health. You can enjoy these greens raw in a salad or lightly sautéed in a healthy fat, like olive oil, to bring out their flavors and nutrients. Berries and walnuts, adding antioxidants and healthy fats. Next, we add berries, like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, along with walnuts. These ingredients are packed with heart-healthy compounds that benefit your arteries. Berries. Berries are incredibly rich in anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that help protect your arteries from damage. These antioxidants also improve endothelial function, which is the health of the lining of your blood vessels. This improves blood flow and helps reduce the risk of plaque buildup. High in fiber. Berries are also high in fiber, which, as we discussed, helps lower cholesterol levels. The fiber helps remove excess cholesterol from your bloodstream, preventing it from accumulating in your arteries. Walnuts. Walnuts are a fantastic source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their ability to reduce inflammation and improve blood vessel function. Omega-3s also help to reduce LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, and increase HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol. Walnuts are also rich in polyphenols, which have anti-inflammatory properties, making them a perfect addition to this meal. Adding berries and walnuts to your spinach and kale base not only boosts the flavor and texture of the meal, but also supercharges the benefits for your arteries. Grilled salmon, the omega-3 powerhouse. Now let's add a piece of grilled salmon to the mix. Why salmon? Because it's one of the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are incredibly important for reducing inflammation in the body, particularly in the arteries. They help prevent the formation of plaque and keep the blood vessels flexible, which improves blood flow and reduces the risk of cardiovascular disease. Rich in vitamin D and selenium. Salmon is also an excellent source of vitamin D and selenium, both of which support heart health. Vitamin D helps regulate blood pressure, while selenium is a powerful antioxidant that protects your arteries from oxidative damage. Supports healthy cholesterol levels. Omega-3s found in salmon help balance cholesterol levels by reducing triglycerides and increasing HDL cholesterol. This makes salmon an essential food for anyone looking to clear out their arteries and support their cardiovascular system. Grilling the salmon is a healthy cooking method that preserves the omega-3s while keeping the meal light and flavorful. Pairing it with the leafy greens and nuts makes for a satisfying, nutrient-packed meal. Flax seeds, the finishing touch. Now, for the final touch, flax seeds. These little seeds might seem small, but they pack a powerful punch when it comes to heart health. High in fiber and omega-3s, flax seeds are an excellent source of both fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. They help lower cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, and support overall cardiovascular health. Lignans for antioxidant protection. Flax seeds are rich in lignans, which are plant compounds that have antioxidant properties. These antioxidants protect the lining of your blood vessels and help prevent the buildup of plaque. Hormonal balance. Flax seeds can also help balance estrogen levels, which is important for overall heart health. Hormonal balance plays a key role in preventing arterial damage and maintaining optimal blood flow. You can add a tablespoon of ground flax seeds to the top of your salad for an extra crunch and nutrient boost. Just make sure to grind them before eating to help your body absorb all the beneficial nutrients. Olive oil and lemon juice, the perfect dressing. To bring everything together, we finish off this artery-clearing meal with a simple dressing made from olive oil and lemon juice. Olive oil. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which are heart-healthy fats that help reduce inflammation and protect the arteries. It also contains polyphenols, antioxidants that help reduce oxidative stress and improve blood vessel health. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is an excellent source of vitamin C, which helps strengthen the blood vessel walls and prevents plaque buildup. It also helps detoxify the liver, which plays a key role in managing cholesterol levels. This simple dressing not only enhances the flavor of your meal, but also provides a dose of healthy fats and antioxidants, making it the perfect complement to your artery-clearing bowl. Conclusion. There you have it. A practical artery-clearing meal that combines leafy greens, berries, walnuts, grilled salmon, flax seeds, and a healthy dressing. This meal is packed with antioxidants, healthy fats, and anti-inflammatory compounds that support your heart and arteries, helping to prevent plaque buildup and improve blood flow. The best part? It's easy to prepare and doesn't require any complicated ingredients. You can make this meal regularly to support long-term heart health and keep your arteries clear. Remember, arterial health is crucial for overall well-being, and the foods you eat can have a significant impact on your cardiovascular system. So, next time you're looking for a heart-healthy meal, give this one a try.